Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardener vlog. This vlog is going to be about how to cut down your raspberry canes, as there are two ways that you need to cut them down. Obviously, if you've got the autumn fruiting raspberries, they need to be chopped right down, but if you've got the summer fruiting raspberries, you have to work out which ones need chopping down and which ones don't. I will show you how to do this in this short little video. I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so we're going to get on with showing you how to chop raspberries down. One of the little tips that I've been told in the past is, if it's a summer growing raspberry plant, what you need to do is get some secateurs, and the best thing to know which ones not to chop down is if you scrape them, you will be able to see some green on the stem, which means that that's the one that you need to leave, because that's the one that's going to grow this year. So all you're wanting to do on these ones is just chop off some little bits that are growing off, and if there's any old raspberries growing on them, just chop them off as well. This one here has currently got some shoots growing on it, so that's obvious that you don't want to chop this one down. It's starting to bud already. So the ones that you wanted to chop down are the ones that are dead. These will tend to look very browner, and these are the ones that will have grown raspberries on last year. And if you do the scrape test, there's no green whatsoever underneath it. So all you do is just chop that one down right at the bottom. And so on. So obviously it can be quite a long task, but you should be able to tell with the colour of the sticks which ones are the ones that you're wanting to chop down. You don't have to do the scrape test on them all. But if you're unsure, you do the scrape test, and that will point out which ones want chopping down, because you don't want all dead stuff growing on them. So then, like this one, just here, do a scrape test on it. No green whatsoever underneath it, completely dead. So chop it off right at the bottom, because you don't want to be having all the dead stuff growing, because what's the point in putting all the energy into the dead plant? So afterwards you'll just be left with all the healthy bits that are growing. Okay, so you just carry on until you've chopped all them down. With raspberries is that they grow on the branches what have grown the year before. They don't grow on the same branches from the previous year, or that they don't grow on the same branches that have grown that year. I don't know why. But for autumn ones, they do grow on the same ones. So autumn ones you can chop right down. They'll grow on the same branches that have grown that year. Whether it's a time element, I don't really know. But if you know why, please feel free to comment.
Mr. Robbins come down to see the work I'm doing. Grabbing the worms that I've been clearing around here. He always likes to keep me company down here. It's a fat little thing. After you've cleared your raspberry areas and got all that sorted, then you need to just give them a bit of food. Get them started for the year. Obviously they've not had much food through the winter, so you just need to give them that kick start. I just use normal chicken pellets and just give them a sprinkle of food around it. Around each plant. Just give them that little kick that they need. So yeah, that is how you chop back your raspberries. And if they were autumn raspberries, like I said, obviously they'd be dead, the canes anyway. You'll be able to tell with the scrape test. But if they're autumn raspberries, just chop them right down to the bottom and they'll grow back and you'll get raspberries on them this same year. I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of the vlog. Please feel free to share the video, subscribe, and yeah, comment below on your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video on how to trim back raspberries. I hope you found it useful. There will be more tips coming up throughout the year. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Also feel free to use the comments below and comment what your thoughts are and if you've got any tips on raspberries. Yes, and thank you for watching the Yorkshire Gardener. Over and out, and happy gardening.